everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tonya, and if you're returning, well, today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. Now, I've been trying to find the different areas to film, and I decided to get this shelf painted, and I love this old window that I had picked up. Let me just show you this. I kind of just keep this setting up here on this shelf because I want to be able to keep this shelf really clean and neat where I can start displaying some of the items for you, and I thought you'd be able to see them really well. And I'm also going to start setting the items that I find in my hauls up here on the shelf and zooming in so you have a nice clean white background, and I thought that would be nice to really show the detail of some of the items. Our Dollar Tree has recently went up to the $1.25, and I can already tell the difference in the items that they're starting to get in the store. A lot nicer quality. So I'm really excited to share that with you. And I'm hoping that this is going to be kind of a theme for me where the first of the week I can start doing either the hauls or the shop with me with you and share these things, and then we'll go ahead and we'll have our DIYs on Saturday around 11 o'clock. Well, everyone, let me go ahead and take this window frame down, and then I'm going to go ahead and get all of our items that I found this evening. I actually just got back from Dollar Tree, and we'll start showing you everything I got. Okay, everyone, the first thing that I come across this evening was these little wagon wheel wreath rims, and I just think these are going to be so fun. You imagine the things that we can do with these, even if you wanted to get 4 of them and use them as wheels for a spring decor piece on your porch. But I thought these were really neat and excited to see these. Now, I haven't seen these at my Dollar Tree before, so if you have, you'll have to let me know. Now, the next thing I picked up for Saturday's DIYs coming up are these little gift boxes in the round shape. And I saw a really neat idea on Pinterest, and I want to try to do that for you. And I love that they had the different sizes, and I can't wait to share this one because I really do think this one's going to turn out pretty. But that was the second little group that I had picked up. Now, I have an idea for this little display easel, and we're going to be using some of these little dry erase paddles and see if we can make one of these little cutting boards. And I'm going to do something really fun with this design. But this was another really great one. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of the little heart dishes that I found. I thought these were just so cute. And I'm actually wanting to paint these to kind of match my decor, but I'm glad they still have a lot of their little Valentine's Day things out. And then I picked up one of their little pails. They finally have those out now for the spring season, and we can always do really fun things with these worry baskets, and I'm hoping that I'll get all these DIYs done for Saturday's video, so I'm excited about that. And I absolutely love these vases and the way that they are cut. I thought they were just some really, really neat ones. And I almost wanted to get a whole set of these, but I'm actually going to use this for a DIY. But they're very well made. And what a fun little ice cream dish. I just love that. Or we can actually flip it upside down and do something fun like that. Now, everyone, this was one of my favorite finds. And I don't know if these have come out at your Dollar Tree yet, but I absolutely love the style on these. You don't even have to do anything to them. And look at that, how they've got the rope tied on there. I mean, this would just be so pretty left alone, and you wouldn't have to do a thing. And I love that this one's got the little grooves, cut glass in there. But these are some newer items to my Dollar Tree that I was really, really excited about. And of course, I wanted to pick up some of the new spring florals that they have. And this is my favorite one. I love the color of green in there. And of course, that just little light kind of like a lavender pink color. Definitely happy they got those out already. And then, of course, I love these little stones that they have in the Valentine's Day section. So if you can grab those are really neat to have for our tier trays. And this was kind of a different find. This was a pillowcase. And I thought, how great is the colors, since this green is going to be kind of the theme for 2022. So I thought that was a really, really neat, and I love the design, how it just looks real springy, like flowers. And this is a cloth pillowcase, so you can make a pillow out of this. We can take and glue it or decoupage it onto something, but what a neat little color that is. And then I picked up, actually, these are just some simple things. I ended up getting this because there's 2 in here, and I think these are going to be something we can definitely turn into a nice DIY. And everyone, this is completely random, but I hear so many of the other YouTube girls talking about this, and guys, and I wanted to try this. I don't know if any of you have tried this, but I love lemon scent, so I'm definitely going to give this one a try. Now, the last thing that I found before I show you the tier trays, I actually ran in there and got them real quick. I went ahead and got some more of these wood hearts. I just think these are so neat to keep out all year long, because you can set them up and you could actually make a whole little nice little strand to hang on the wall. But these are definitely a staple for me that I like to get a hold of. And everyone, they started putting out the rub-on transfers again. So I thought I would grab plenty of the, I'm sure you, if you haven't already watched the video that I had done with these for Valentine's Day on the X and O, that turned out really, really pretty. I'll leave that in one of the links below, or one of the little captions above at the end of the video. So I grabbed a few of these, and then I thought these would be really pretty, just having that gold color. And then the cactuses are always one of my favorites, because who doesn't love our little succulents? Well, everyone, that's pretty much it for the Dollar Tree items that I found today. Now, I want to go ahead and show you how cute these little tier trays are. I absolutely love these from the Target Dollar Spot. And like I said, they may have had these before, but this is new to me. I haven't seen them before. And I just think they're so perfect. So I probably won't get to decorating these for this Saturday's video, because I want to finish up some of the other ones. But definitely the video, the next Saturday, we may be doing something with these. Or I may get them done. We'll see what happens. And here's the other one. I just thought it was so cute. I mean, this would even look cute if I had this little shelf decorated here. And here is the other one. And they were $5, if I didn't say that. So I just thought, how neat. Love them. Absolutely love them. I am so excited about the finds that I had found today, and that's what we'll be doing for Saturday's DIY. Well, everyone, once again, I hope you enjoyed this haul, and if so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so. And I hope all of you have a blessed week, and I will see you Saturday.